Testing 1, 2, 3.
No, speak at a normal tone.
Okay, I'm going to speak at a normal tone. Anywho, as I was saying, yes. So Bossman ended up getting a fryer. And it's been a while since he wanted one of these. And I'm curious to see what's in this box. So since he decided he ain't gonna help me, I had to explore and be curious about what's going on in this box. Oh Lord, the damn thing heavy. What the frick is this? Yeah, strong man thing here. So we're trying to get this thing out of the box. And it's the most helpless thing you could see. When I see him pull the thing, it make me look shame. All right, here we go. Ooh, like a snug bug in a rug. All right. So this is Mr. Air Fryer, 7 quart. And I see from on the box, you see 8 cooking functions. Now I know Chef Boyardee going to take over with this thing, but I'm ready to taste. So it's a digital cooking timer, wide range temp control. Air fryer with little to no oil. I know how true that is, but we will see. So let me know where you get this thing from. Oh, who dropped this load on you? Silence in the house, boy. So you see, come with it, its own booklet. I don't know if it's what they call it. Anyhow, now they go talk. So you come with all your little instructions and your little pamphlet, or whatever you want to call it. And what 100 recipes to go with this thing. I hope this thing has taste. But we go explore that a little later. I seen breakfast. That's the first thing I see as I flip plat of the page. Oh boy, hope this thing will fight me. They ain't make this thing for short people at all. Because we had to be fighting with everything. Oh gosh. Eventually I'll find out where he got it from, so I could put the link below. So you guys can try it out. See if you like it, see if you don't like it. But me, I don't know if I like it yet. I just have to taste, then I will know. Oh lordy. One thing that really strapped this up. Smell like a new car, boy. All right, how we do this thing? Oh, yes. All right. think big boy are placed inside. You could fit a small turtle inside there. People calling at the wrong time. I guess this is your frying shells. If I know how the thing does go. 1, 2, 3. And the inside is pretty deep. A small duck could fit in here at least. I know about a big chicken or a turkey. All right. So far, guys, this is what it is. After I have had my first meal with this, I'll give you guys an insight on how it tastes and if it's really worth it. If it's dry, if it's soggy, if it overcook, who knows? But this is your deep fryer, or your air fryer. All right. So I actually waited for him to move the air fryer because it was so heavy. So now that he placed it here, I can plug it in and see what it actually works like, or looks like, I should say. Let me see if I can just reach the cord. That thing is loud. Sounds like a car backing up. So okay. Should I? Shouldn't I? I guess I should wait. I was asking him, it looks like a plate on top of there. I wonder if it gets hot, if it doesn't. Who knows? But as time goes by, we'll see. But I must say, I did get a link for it. He finally gave it to me. And if you like color, you're going to be paying for color, because there's blue, there's red, and there's black. And each color has its price. So if you're all about color, make up your mind to spend that money. And what I do realize is that this is the largest one they got. So take a good look. It is huge and it is heavy. And yet to be tasting what's going to be coming out of it.